Okay, we've got the rear view digital cam here, just arrived from Amazon. We'll just do a quick unboxing and we'll see how it fits onto our Model S. Here we go, and that's it. That's what we got. VanTop mirror mounted dash cam, 12-inch. There's the invoice. Put that down there. I've got more goodies here as well. We've also got this. Let me show you. It's a Harmonic dual channel 2.4G wireless microphone system, so I'll be using that as well. But today we're going to be dealing with this. So it's good to have these. Luckily I have a rubbish bin down here. Okay, so maybe I'll turn on the lights. Oh. How do we open this? Does that slide off? Yes, it slides off. Slides off that way. This comes off. And there you go, pops off. That comes off. Let's see. And the mirror comes off here. Okay, got all the goodies in there. But this is the main unit, and that should go nicely there. So hopefully, let me see. Seems to fit. Seems to fit just okay. Thinking about here, yeah, that should be quite nice. So we'll fit that on next time in the video. And just make sure we got all the straps. So here's the straps. That's the GPS signal. There's our tool for the wires. We're gonna mount it on here. That's the lighter. This is what I really want to do now. This is the rear dash cam that I'm going to fit in the back. So I'll be looking at that. Okay, so in the next video you'll see it all set up. Definitely the rear view mirror on the Model S is really limited, so you really do need a larger backup. Even though I have a backup camera here, it's always nice to have a larger and wider view up here on top.